Hi everyone. So I've just received a box from Lenovo. This is a flat panel monitor. It is the P27u-10 27-inch monitor, and what I thought I'd do is just a quick unboxing to see what's inside the box. So let's open that. So what we have is a calibration report. We have a quick start guide of how to set it up and what to do. The ThinkColor software, although it comes in a disc, in a CD. Not many laptops have a CD drive, so that's useful. The power plug, UK pin in this case. What we have here is a USB to a USB-C cable, the Lenovo HDMI type connector to a HDMI, and finally a USB-C to USB-C connector. And what we've got here is, I think this is the base of the screen, so where it will fit. So you've got sort of screw here and then the base. So put that to one side. And this other one we have the arm of the monitor. So this will fit into the base. So put that to one side. And then just underneath here, what we have is we have the screen itself. So let's just take that out of the bag. It is quite heavy. So you have the screen. This is a 27-inch screen, quite large. A few keys on the right hand side. And then let's just flip it over. You've got where the base can go and some various different information. So we've got the monitor set up now, and just to run through the connection types that you have, just on the back you've got the headphone jack, 4 USB ports, one with the always on port, I believe this is, and then just on the bottom here on the back of it you've got 2 HDMI ports in these two, the DP port, which is the Lenovo one, which is slightly off from the HDMI, a USB-C port, and the power port on the right hand side. So an interesting thing with this monitor is if we just put it to the ledge here, so now it's in landscape. What you can do is, if you just play around with it slightly, you can also have it in portrait mode. It's a little bit strange, but there we go. What we'll do is we'll get a laptop connected so that you can see the colors from it. So what we've done is just connected a laptop to the screen, just using the USB-C to USB-C ports, and this is how it looks on the screen. So it looks very, very sharp, very, very big. It is in your face, so it's very good. And what you can do on the right hand side here on the bottom is you've got various different menu keys, so you can play around with the brightness, the contrast, the image properties, various different settings, some options. So you can play around with these if you would like, with the brightness, contrast, and various different other things. I'll just exit out of that. And yeah, I mean, you can tilt it up, tilt it down. So this is on the highest stand position. What we can do is we can also lower the stand if you want to, so it is adjustable. So it is a very good screen, I have to say. I have been using it for a while, a similar one, and I do enjoy it. So thank you very much for watching.